अच्छा, what about the education? तो बीच में ही रहेगी.
So I went to Jesus and Mary. I was a high school dropout. Then I went back. I studied throughout. I went and I did a lot of studying in the UK, US, after marriage, after kids. I had to continue at some point. My kids would go to school. I would go to school. Then I went to film school. I was in New York. I studied film.
Yeah, I read that.
So I did so much later. But I caught up. It was very tough. It was very difficult. And I would always recommend to anyone watching, please complete your education while you're single without any responsibility, because I had to complete everything later. It was very hard. It was really, but I did it because I did it for myself.
Right.
I didn't need it for this business. I didn't need it for a career. I did it because I wanted to feel complete.
Right. So now जब आपका career start हुआ, Sitara Mehron, I still remember that because obviously I was around at that time. And also you did the first movie. I still remember that.
We went together
to
Lahore. We were on the flight together, all of us.
Like
there was Saqib, you, all of us, and Tapu,
and I was like,
Fifi.
She's doing a...
Oh, sorry, this is our third interview.
Third interview?
Yes, because you actually interviewed me on the red carpet of that movie also in Lahore.
Oh my God.
I have that picture as well. There we go.
अच्छा, वो भी वही होगा फिर. So वो film I remember, and also being... You were one of the Lux girls, right?
Yeah.
And that was a big deal too, because obviously, up to everybody wants to be the. I mean, at least I don't know.
That's a benchmark.
That was the benchmark.
Yeah.
Okay, हाँ जी. कि अगर ऐड करना है, जैसा कि L'Oreal obviously बीच में आ गए. I mean, I take these brands name, but I don't have a problem. But that was the ultimate, right?
Yeah.
Because it was the ultimate ad as well. I remember.
It's a Lux star, you know. You have to be,
because it's all about stars and glamour. So वो भी मुझे याद है. अब उससे पहले मैंने क्या कहते हैं, कहाँ थी मैं? हाँ, so
first movie.
इसमें भी no problem with the family saying, because Atika उस ज़माने में मैंने जब मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की थी तो वो सब कहते थे अच्छे ख़ानदान की लड़कियाँ हैं. तो मुझे बहुत बुरी बात लगती है कि अगर आप गरीब ख़ानदान के तो आप अच्छे ख़ानदान के नहीं हैं. गलत बात है, ये नहीं करनी चाहिए. लेकिन कहते थे उस ज़माने में कि आप अगर अच्छे ख़ानदान के, पढ़े लिखे ख़ानदान के हैं तो आप मीडिया में आएंगे नहीं, पहली बात. ठीक है ना? तो उस वक्त ऑब्वियसली वी वर ब्रेकिंग ऑल दीज रूल्स. आई वाज ब्रेकिंग द रूल्स. मरीना वाज ब्रेकिंग द रूल्स. आई वाज इन अ प्ले विद मरीना. वी ऑल वांटेड टू डू दीज. There was this whole magic around doing a Hasina Moin play. There was all this magic. Anwar Maqsood साहब. So ये barrier कैसे तोड़ा? या मुझे लगता है कि you were just bulldozing. You were your captain of your own ship at that time.
So when I went through the divorce, I had 2 children already. I had to have a source of income. So anytime somebody came to lecture me, nahi, girls from our backgrounds don't go into television and film, I said, then pay my bills. It's very simple. I have children. They have bills. I have bills. You pay my bills. The lecturing is very easy. Majority of the aunties would say, "बेटा एक और शादी कर लो." और अमीर आदमी ढूंढ के ना, अच्छे खानदान के अमीर आदमी से शादी कर लो. मैंने कहा एक अमीर आदमी से तो की थी शादी मैंने, मैं 2 बच्चों के बाद घर आ गई हूँ, तो अब एक और करूँगी तो फिर वो क्या, मेरा और बच्चों के साथ कराऊंगी.
ख्याल रख रहा था बच्चों का.
नहीं, I mean that's all. I don't talk about that at all because he is the father of my children.
So now basically you wanted to be independent.
I wanted to be independent. I was worried for myself, my kids. I wanted my children never to suffer like I was suffering. I had suffered. Also एक वो भी था बड़ा के मैं एक अडल्ट हूँ, मैं अपने माँ बाप से कुछ नहीं मांग सकती ना. एक अकड़, वो एक होता है ना यूथ का, एक जवानी का आपका एक वो अकड़ होती है. तो मैंने तो फैसला कर लिया था कि मैं किसी से कोई मदद नहीं मांगूंगी. एंड एक टाइम आया, मैंने एक लिप्टन का कमर्शियल किया. अनवर साहब ने देखा, अनवर साहब न्यू माई फैमिली. उन्होंने राब्ता किया, मैंने सितारा. अच्छा, मुझे शौक तो बहुत था फिल्म टीवी का. आई ग्रू अप वाचिंग. माई नानी यूज्ड टू टेक मी टू ड्राइव इन सिनेमा एंड आई यूज्ड टू वॉक नदीम साहब एंड शबनम साहिबा एंड आई लव्ड सिनेमा, वो स्पेशली पाकिस्तानी सिनेमा. तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हुई. मैंने कहा मैं तो ये काम करना चाह रही हूँ. मेहनत बहुत की. बहुत कम पैसा मिलता था उस ज़माने में, लेकिन शौक़ बहुत था. पहली रीडिंग में अनवर साहब सर खुजा के घर कमरे से बाहर चले गए कि इसको तो उर्दू नहीं आती. क्योंकि एक जुल्म हमारे माँ बाप ये करते हैं ना कि हमें वो अंग्रेज़ी मीडियम स्कूल्स में जब डालते हैं, हाँ, तो उसमें ये होता है कि एक दिन हफ्ते में आपको उर्दू की क्लास होती है आपकी. तो हमने रहना इधर है. मैं सबको कहती हूँ कि आपने इधर रहना, इधर काम करना, आप अपनी उर्दू ठीक कर लें. तो it took me a long time to kind of स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन उर्दू, बिकॉज हम सोचते ही थे अंग्रेजी में ना।
सही बात है।
तो फिर मैंने कहा कि ये काम आ रहा है और मैं करूँगी। और उस वक्त मैंने ये किया कि मैंने लिप्टन का मैंने कमर्शियल किया, मुझे कुछ पैसे मिले। पहले तो मैंने सोचा मैं इंडिया जाके फिल्म करूँगी।
बॉलीवुड का भी।
सो मैं गई एंड मैंने एक टिकट ख़रीदा, होटल किया, वहाँ गई, दोस्तियाँ बहुत बन गई मेरी। मेरी बॉम्बे फैमिली है, द खान्स, यू नो, जरीन एंड अब्बास साहब एंड जरीन खान, फरा द डॉटर, वेरी फ्रेंडली।
आई सॉ द पिक्चर्स यस्टरडे, वी वेंट, तुम्हारे घर आए थे ना हम लोग।
हाँ ना,
डिनर तुमने किया था। They were over.
बिल्कुल, उनको फिर मैं पाकिस्तान लेके आई। यस, एंड फरा एंड आई आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज एंड फ्रेंडली एंड बहुत पुरानी, एंड दे आर माय बॉम्बे फैमिली, दे आर माय बॉम्बे फैमिली। सो वहाँ गई, वहाँ पे बड़ा, यू नो, उन्होंने मुझे पाला एंड मेड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स इन इंडिया। But I decided if I'm going to work, I'm going to work in Pakistan. So I came back. I got offers, very good offers, but I didn't, you know, I was young and I'm very emotionally unstable. I didn't know what was happening. I was going through divorce. I didn't know what will happen to my children. तो मैं कहा मैं घर जाना चाहती हूँ। तो मैं वापस आके मैंने काम शुरू किया। अल्लाह मियाँ ने, आई थिंक एक होता है ना, वो मैंने बात की किस्मत की, पहले दिन से God had decided that okay, I'm going to give you a break here. तो सितारा में उन्होंने शूट किया, ऑन एयर नहीं आया हुआ था। मैं गवादर चली गई 10 शूट करने, ऑन एयर सितारा मेहरुनिसा आ गया। I was in the boonies in Gavadir, somewhere nobody knew where I was. Sitara Mehrunisa had started. I became like this big Sitara. You know, all the papers. Yes. I had no idea. There was not even a phone in Gavadir in those days, right? Weeks later, a PIA pilot came with a thaddi of newspapers and found me in Gavadir with the crew. I said, "आप किधर हैं?" तो मैंने कहा, "जी मैं तो इधर ही." कहते, "आपको अंदाज़ा नहीं आपने किया क्या है?" He dumped this thaddi of newspapers with me all on the front pages.
Wow.
And said, "The world is looking for you. Where are you?"
Wow.
So I had no idea what had happened, you know. And Anwar Saab said to me कि ये पता है ये जब चलेगा ना तुम्हारी जिंदगी में तब्दीली आ जाएगी। तो मैं कहा पता नहीं क्या कह रहे हैं अनवर साहब, बोलते रहते हैं ऐसे ही, तंग कर रहे हैं मुझे। But you know he was right. So when I came back from Gavadir, I'll never forget, because it still causes so much anxiety when I arrive in Karachi airport. Numan Ijaz and Ayub Khoso came with me back to Karachi. And I land at Karachi airport, standing at the belt, and I have people staring away at me, and I'm like, आदत नहीं है ना आपको घबराहट। मैंने कहा मुझे लोग ऐसे घूर क्यों रहे हैं, मैंने कुछ कर दिया है, कुछ मसला है। तो नुमान एंड अयूब by then were giggling away. They knew ना, उनको तो पता था, वो तो मीडिया के थे। फिर जब मैं अच्छा बाहर एक खबर फैल गई थी कि सितारा आ गई है, तो वो एक मॉब आ गया कराची एयरपोर्ट। उस जमाने में जब सेल फोन नहीं होते
कुछ नहीं था।
We exit the airport door, and there's a mob of people in front of me, and they just, वो एक बैरियर लगता है ना, पहले बैरियर धक्का मारा उन्होंने, फिर वो खुद आए, नुमान ने एक बगल से उठाया, अयूब ने दूसरे, और ऐसे उठाया मुझे, and there was lathi charge, there was police, everything happened in that, and I still don't know how I got to the car. They carried me to the car, put me in the car. A car shook like this. My sister Leila was there driving. She just drove through people. I still, when I arrive in Karachi airport, I look down. I look like, because that the panic anxiety I went through that day. But that's when stardom hit me. That was the first day of my life, which I'll never forget. That I realized, oh,
wow,
what just happened.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद और चैलेंजेस थे, जैसे लोगों को ये अंदाज़ा नहीं होता कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं ना, चलो हमें तो स्टारडम, हमने ये पंगा खुद लिया, राइट, हमें बच्चों ने तो नहीं लिया है पंगा। सो दे स्टॉप गोइंग आउट विद मी पब्लिकली कि नहीं हम आपके साथ बाहर नहीं जाएंगे कहीं भी, क्योंकि जहाँ जाते हैं लोग तंग करते हैं। सो माई चिल्ड्रन एंड आई वी वेंट थ्रू अ मेजर लॉस दैट वे। वी कुडंट हैव अ नॉर्मल लाइफ एनी मोर। इट वाज ऑल वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड।
स्टार्स के साथ होता है बहुत ज़्यादा।
इनफैक्ट छोटी मेरी ज़रमीन इतनी सी थी, और हम एक पीडियाट्रिशियन के दफ्तर में बैठे हुए थे, उसकी चेकअप था, और एक खातून सामने बैठी मुझे घूर रही है। इतनी सी ज़मीन छोटी ना, बेबी, शी गोज अप एंड स्पिट्स एट हर।
Oh my God!
I was like, what have you done, Zarmeen? She's like, Mama, why is she staring at us? I'm like, don't you dare. I gave उसकी, मैंने ऐसे मैं कहा खबरदार आइंदा कभी भी किया ऐसे बेटा, बिकॉज तुम्हारी माँ के ये फ़ैन मोहब्बत करते हैं मुझसे। But as a little child, she doesn't know, na? For her, it's like, why is she staring at my mother?
Yeah, but
You know?
it's also like wrong to stare at people.
No, it
But
is and it isn't. I guess, देखो, we've
it's
all had our
starstruck.
we've all had our celebrity crushes,
So,
and our, you know.
totally.
I think I'm blessed that I to date have people staring. I mean,
This is
अभी भी
also true.
वो भी बहुत
Like
बड़ी blessing होती है.
blessing
बिल्कुल,
yeah,
बिल्कुल.
true that. Okay, wow, these are interesting things.
Yeah.
So Mehrun-Nisa happened, then Dasht happened,
Then Nijat happened.
then Nijat.
So I did
happened.
two
Yeah.
very glamorous roles, and then
Yeah.
I did a very unglamorous sort of
Yeah.
role with Saira Kazmi as director, which is
Yeah.
fantastic.
Good,
And
good.
Numan
Wow.
and I were cast as a Gharib Gharane ke Mia Biwi, and it was a huge hit.
Yeah.
I'm actually, you know what?
PTV was great.
I am a
also.
very blessed woman. Let me
Yeah.
tell you. To date, it's been 35 years I've been in this business. To date, I have hits, like unbelievable hits. वो कहते हैं कि in the life of a
Yeah.
actor, अगर एक दो आपके हो जाए ना, you're lucky. मेरे तो आप एक लिस्ट निकाल सकते हैं.
Yeah.
तो कुछ तो I think God has kind of looked out for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God has looked out for you,
Yeah.
of course. I mean, life के अंदर knocks आएंगे, फिर उसके बाद drops आएंगे, फिर uplift भी होता है. But tell me now that did you leave all of this when you married Javed?
No. So then a few years after the divorce, I was now at my peak, you know. In fact, मेरी पहली फिल्म का जब प्रीमियर हुआ था, did you go to it? मैडम नूरजहां भी गई, सब गए, मेरी वालदा सब.
1994, 5.
So I had married and moved to New York.
Yeah.
मैं न्यूयॉर्क में कपड़े इस्त्री कर रही थी ऐसे. मुझे सजाद गुल का फोन आता है, मिस ओडो, यू हैव नो क्राइंग, यू हैव नो आइडिया, एवरीवन's here the premiere, where are you? And I thought, if Sajad only knew I was sitting here watching a soap, ironing my husband's shirts, he'd kill me.
I still remember that.
So I don't know. I think my priority has always really been family life.
Yeah, you like being married.
I
You
like
said
having
it
a family.
in an interview.
I like having family. I want to have a marriage, children, grandchildren. I think it comes from my initial craving as a child
Yeah.
from the broken home.
Yeah.
I don't like being on my own. I don't like not having a home. I'm a very strong person, but I'm not that independent minded. I have emotional needs that need to be fulfilled, you know.
Right. And with somebody you.
So then, of course, Javed and I were married for 16 years.
Yeah.
We have Zarmeen.
Achha, that long? I
Yes,
didn't realize.
yes.
itni
Yeah,
dear thi.
16 years. And then, of
Yeah.
course, we also drifted
Yeah.
and went our own way.
Yeah.
A very civilized relationship.
Yeah.
And we share a daughter, and we have great partnership over Zarmeen. So she can't get away with anything. Mom and dad are like on, they know what's
How old
happening.
is she now?
Zarmeen is 26 now.
Wow.
Mashallah. Yeah, she's
Oh,
a woman. She's in New York.
Oh, she is.
Yeah,
in
she's in New York,
Wow,
yeah.
fantastic.
So then we drifted. Then a few years later, then I, Samar and I knew each other as family friends.
You asked him to marry you.
Yeah, so
I love that.
Yeah,
Girls, are you
yeah.
listening? You can do this. क्या उल्टा अब
Of course,
अच्छी बात नहीं
of course.
है. वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में तो ये होता है. Ratika Odo is breaking the norm
Yeah.
in Pakistan.
Why
I love
not?
it.
Why
I
not?
love it.
In fact, it was my son Bilal
Huh.
who said to me,
Yeah.
he sat me down one day. I said, Ammi, you've been through so much and you've been on your own so long.
Yeah.
And this guy is a good guy. And we know him, we like him, he obviously is interested. And I think you should marry him. So I looked at Bilal and I thought, okay. I said, Bilal, you have these two sisters who are really very emotionally complicated women. They'll never like this at all. He's like, no, I'll handle the sisters. Ammi, you just decide.
Sweet.
He's a very good boy.
But looking out for you also.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
No, that way, again, a big blessing. My children have always been a big support. They have been there.
Kids can be sometimes very, depends on how old and mature he was. He was mature by then.
Yeah. Well, he was a young man,
Huh.
but he had seen me go through my challenges.
Yeah.
So there was sympathy.
Yeah.
And मैंने अपने बच्चों को ना सेट्स पे पाला है. जब मैं सितारा, मेनुसा, निजात, कोई भी मेरे बच्चे सेट पे, मेरे दोस्त नुमान, I have pictures of him with Bilal on his कंधों पे घुमा रहा है बिलाल को, and तो नुमान चाचा, मरीना खाला, these are all family to my children.
Confidence भी आता है ना बच्चों के अंदर. मैंने भी ऐसे किया. सिंगल पैर को करना ही पड़ता है.
Yeah. And नहीं, आपके बच्चों को पता होना चाहिए कि आप किधर हैं और आप क्या कर रहे हैं, और आप घर जब आते हैं आप थक टूट के कहाँ से आते हैं.
और काम की इज्जत पड़ती है.
बिल्कुल.
काम में इज्जत आती है. Sorry about that distraction.
हाँ.
Except that my son told me one day when he was a child, if you get married to anybody, I'll kill him. I think they're so scared when they're young, you know. They think that they need to have that. They're scared.
How old was he?
I think he was young, 8, 7, 8, maybe 8 years old.
Bilal was about 7 when I married Javed, and I'll never forget. While our nikah was going on, he was locked in the bathroom.
Scared.
And then we had to bring him out.
Scared.
But then once he came out, he said, okay, yaar, you know, whatever. Then he said, Javed, uncle, can you and I go fishing together?
Oh.
He had this thing about fishing. I don't know what it was. So my children are very good children. They've actually endured and dealt with a lot and been very, very supportive and understanding. I've not had the easiest of lives, but luckily I've had a lot of family support. My mother, my sisters. We're a very tight family that way. We have our problems, ladaiyan wo chalti rehti hai, but when there's a problem, we're there, which is nice.
Okay, so then all this while there's all this going on.